Our every moment I started a place. Cause now that they're gone, all I hear were the words that I needed to say. When you hurt under the surface, like troubled water running cold.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was.
Well, time can heal, but this
I looked at him and I saw myself. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise.
Before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better?
He's my best bud.
Only I'd have known you had a storm so well.
You'll be safe there.
So
Safer than you could ever be. Our world doesn't deserve you. Yet.
was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? It kills me how your mind can make you feel so worthless. So
he became the friend who gave me my purpose.